Hello and welcome students to my channel. In today's lecture, I am going to explain how pointer to the function can be implemented. So let us go to the Turbo C++ and let's do the simple program where the program is going to display how function call can be made through the pointer. So let us have the systematic declaration of the code. So I will just clear the content and now I will place header file. So hash include stdio.h. That's a standard input output header file. Then we have hash include conio.h. Then I will write one function whose name is suppose OK. Now if I write some content for the function, the block of code which contains a message in printf OK all. Okay. So when I complete my function in natural way, when you are declaring any function, you can call function inside main, and that's the systematic call. But what is happening out here, as our name of function is OK, address of OK function is stored in the pointer. So if I want to declare function to the pointer, how I will declare? So I will write void main, and now I will declare a pointer void. Then I have star p1. This is the syntax that you can use to declare the function pointer. Now I will store address of OK function. So you have to write like this: the name of function with and sign, that is address of operator, and then you are going to declare the pointer. Now let us do one thing. We can do function call with respect to pointer. So we are not calling directly OK. OK, if you are writing OK and semicolon, that's a normal function call. But through pointer, because pointer now knows the address of function, so pointer is now going to call that particular function, and then we'll see the output for this. Okay, so again I'm using this pointer for a function call, and let's see what gets displayed. Okay, the expected output for this program is this particular block of code gets executed. So OK all is the output for this particular program. So if I will execute this code, OK all gets executed. So this is one of the basic program where function pointer can be implemented. So I hope this easiest program you have understood, and you can try to implement such type of coding to understand function pointer in the C, or rather we can say whenever we are applying pointer to the function in advanced C. So please try this program and get that thing executed. Have understanding with respect to basic, simple kind of program, and then start executing the code. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone.